What's the weather in
So,
Iraq right now? Oh,
oh my
sorry.
goodness, let me tell you, it's boiling, scorching, it's
Yeah?
freaking hot, you know. Um, it's a it's a risk, to go out now. Wow.
Really? Oh my goodness. So you
Yeah.
have to stay
Did,
inside?
uh, Thankfully, I don't have to like go outside because I don't work during the daytime.
Yes.
I have work, but my work starts from 4 p.m. During till like 10 p.m. So
Oh, wow. What do you
I'm
do?
survived.
Yeah.
I I work with technology.
Oh, okay. Well, so
Hmm.
what does that
Yeah,
entail?
I have a computer store. I sell the computers, fix them.
Yeah.
I sell the extras of computers. So this
Okay.
is my main job.